Good morning, guys. It is Vlogtober day 8. It is Friday and it's a beautiful day. I'm really happy. It's sunny out. We have a fun day planned. Tonight is the homecoming game in our town, so I think we're going to go to that. Tomorrow night we have a Halloween movie night. We're going to be watching The Muppets Haunted Mansion, which I am kind of freaking out over. I'm so excited for this. It's ridiculous. I love the Muppets. I was one of those kids who was obsessed with the Muppet Show, and the Haunted Mansion is my favorite ride. So I'm really excited about it. I saw the previews and it looks so funny. Also, Hocus Pocus. Last year we did a Hocus Pocus movie night with friends, so we're going to do it again this year. I think it's going to be so much fun just to have a movie night watching some Halloween movies. And yeah, that's like the beginning of our weekend. We have other things going on with Madison's birthday, so I hope you guys enjoy coming along this weekend because we have a lot of fun things ahead. This morning I actually just got my video up for YouTube, so you guys should be seeing that hopefully at 10 a.m. I'm going to aim to have it up every morning for 10. That just seems to be working out the best for me in regards to having time to upload, edit, and get all of the things done in time for you guys to see it every single morning throughout the month of October. So far that's been going pretty good. By so far, I mean the last couple of days. It's been going pretty good. And right now I am just going to pretty much do what I did yesterday. I'm going to put my earbuds in and do some tidying up around the house. I also think I'm going to tackle the bookshelf today, or at least start to clean it out a little bit and organize it, because it is the backdrop for all of my videos. And I feel like my office in general is getting really cluttered right now. And since this is the room that I spend most of my day in, I start to feel really anxious when there's so much clutter around me. So I'm going to spend some time today trying to clean that up as well. And that's where we're at. So I am going to get my day started. I just finished cleaning up the kitchen. All the dishes are done. I cleaned the bathroom. So I'm glad that is all complete. And then I also tidied up the living room, but it's kind of hard because that's where these two guys live. And they just are cozy on the couch most of the day. I gave Leo his little, I shouldn't say little, his like big dinosaur bone over there. And Chester, as usual, is fast asleep, all cozy on the couch. I'm not doing the Peloton today because I did it yesterday and every day is just too much for me. But I realized the mat, we're using it to protect the floor, but ideally I'd like to use the mat for working out. Eventually we're going to be moving this. This is a temporary fix because apparently if the screen gets too cold, it breaks. So this screen has been replaced once already, and we had it in our detached garage and that's how it broke. So until we figure out some type of a heating solution back there, it's got to stay here for now. But we definitely need to get rid of it before Christmas. Right, Leo? Because this is where our Christmas tree goes. Also, you guys can appreciate this. I know I've shown this before somewhere, but my weights are from high school. They're Denise Austin's circa probably 1989, 1990, something like that. Somewhere in the late 80s, early 90s. And I'm still using them. Isn't that funny? I like Fridays because usually, if all has gone well throughout the week, I'm pretty much caught up on work stuff and YouTube stuff and all of those things, which means I can focus on decluttering, organizing, cleaning up around the house. So now I'm going to spend some time in my office and just try to get a little bit more organized in there, maybe clean off the bookshelf a little bit. I actually might need to get rid of some books. That makes me so sad, but I'm running out of space, and I like to display things on my shelves, but I also like to have books on my shelves. Obviously, that's what they're there for. So it's kind of hard trying to keep it not looking too cluttered. So we're gonna go work on that now. I got my ladder out because what I'm thinking is I can probably put more books way on this top shelf, like more of my Disney books. And even on this shelf, which I have dedicated to Winnie the Pooh right now, maybe I can shift some of that stuff around and put some of my like middle grade books or just children books up there to allow more space down below. So there are certain things that I really like the way they look. Like I really like this shelf with the stack of old books with my Belle stuff. And I like this display too, so I don't know. And also I'm thinking I might want to bring things down a level because some of my favorite areas, like you guys can't see in the background when I film videos, like this shelf, which I think is really cute. So I want to make like the main frame, like this area over here basically is what you guys see in the background. I want that to be most appealing. So we'll see. I have a feeling this is going to be a bigger project than I am anticipating right now. All right, I just made lunch. I'm having quinoa with turkey, avocado, and there's some cheese in there. And I've been on the phone with Emily for, it says an hour and 35 minutes, but we got disconnected once, so it's been like over 2 hours, right, Emily?
Yep, hi everyone.
So yeah, that's what we do. We chat all day, like, while I'm doing other things. And now we're gonna continue talking, I guess, while I have my lunch. I just finished. This took me, I don't even know, over 2 hours for sure, and it probably doesn't look that different to you guys. But believe it or not, I did get rid of some things and I relocated some things as well. I know the top looks a lot more cluttered, but I feel like that's the spot that you really don't see much at all. And I kind of set up this area over here really cute with my Bridgerton stuff. I might get rid of these books, I'm not sure. I just think it's funny that this shoe looks exactly like this one. So still debating if I'm going to keep those. And then I still have, like, because it's Halloween, I still have some of my Haunted Mansion items out on this side, and not much has changed over here. I still like the setup and the way that it looks over here. And then I just kind of organized the bottom a little bit better. So, I mean, the bookshelf is for books, so I don't feel too bad that there's a lot of books on it, but I still feel like, I don't know, maybe I can get rid of some more knickknacks. I'm just not ready to do it yet. I spread around all of my really old vintage Mickey Mouses, so rather than having them all on one shelf, I just kind of put them around on random different shelves, and that seems to work out a little bit better. And yeah, so now I am going to go take the dogs for a walk. I just got back from walking the dogs. Again, I cannot get over how great the weather has been this October. I'm actually thinking of changing because it's actually pretty hot out. I'm wearing my Salem Witch City shirt from a long time ago when I went to Salem, one of my favorite places to go to. So much fun. But anyway, took the dogs for a long walk, did not go for a run today. I think that I'm gonna wait until tomorrow or sometime over the weekend because now it's just too busy, too many cars out, too many people. Like, I like to do it when it's kind of quiet outside and much cooler because it is warming up a lot today. So I'm gonna do my little afternoon break time, which doesn't usually last very long, but I like to be very intentional about taking it because I feel like I hit a wall by 3 o'clock if I don't give myself like at least a half an hour just to have a cup of tea, relax, do something relaxing, not like doing work, because a lot of times at lunchtime I still kind of work through lunch while I'm eating. So this is my time to genuinely just chill for a little bit. So I'm gonna do that now, and then Madison's gonna be home from school and we're going to get our weekend started because again, we have a lot of fun stuff planned. Last night I finished reading Water for Elephants by Sarah Gruen. This was one of the books that I read for the Boo to You readathon that I'm participating in, and this was inspired by Dumbo the Flying Elephant in Fantasyland in Disney World. This book is so good. It took me a while to get into it, and halfway through I wasn't even sure that I liked it very much, but once I got to the end I was like, I love this book. It was really good. I gave it 5 stars on Goodreads. And now I am muddling through Survive the Night by Riley Sager. I'm so sad to say that because Riley Sager is one of my favorite authors. I'm kind of struggling through this book. I am reading and I am listening, so I'm kind of going back and forth. I've been listening to this a lot as I'm doing housework for the past few days, and then when I'm taking a break, I'm trying to read a couple of chapters. And I don't know, it might all change for me as I get deeper into the book or as I get more near the end. But as of right now, it's not my favorite Riley Sager book, so that's sad. But I have about 4 hours left on Audible, so we'll see. I'll let you guys know. It's about 3:45 at night. I'm not sure yet what we're doing tonight. I have leftovers planned for dinner because I cooked every night this week and we have plenty of food left over. My son's working, Madison's going to the homecoming game. Me and Jim might go as well, although I know she's gonna be embarrassed if we're there because she's going with a group of friends. So that's still debatable. And that's really it. I don't really have like a grand plan for tonight, which is very unusual, but I don't mind because every day of the week is so busy. Like, it's kind of nice to not have a plan and just be able to do whatever you feel like doing. So I can appreciate that. And yeah, so that's what's going on. Planning and preparing for her sleepover this weekend. I have to get to the dollar store. I want to check out also some of the Halloween stuff that they have, so I'll probably do that over the weekend too and get some birthday party things like candy and snacks and drinks and stuff like that. So, but I don't know if we're gonna do that tonight or tomorrow. We'll see. Madison's always so tired after school, and Friday is her only day where she doesn't have any activities, so I don't want to make her have to go shopping right now because I know she just wants to chill out for a little while before she heads out to the game. I have some projects going on here. I bought this nightlight at a thrift store and look at how pretty this is. It's kind of like a fall autumn farm scene. I thought this would be really pretty for the lake house, but this doesn't work, so I think I just need to replace the bulb. But also this whole thing broke off of the picture, so I just crazy glued it back together. Also, this was from when I did the $5 Goodwill challenge. I picked up some other thrift items. This is a bag of vintage doorknobs. It was $23, but trust me when I say these antique doorknobs are expensive, and these are the knobs that are in basically every room of the house, and they're really heavy duty, but I'm always having problems with them falling off. So I thought it would be great to have like some backup ones, and I'll show you the one I just put on the closet door because I really like it. It's like marble looking, but then there's also some of these look kind of unique. This one I really liked. Let me just pull it out to show you. I don't know if you can see, but it's like a lavender color. It's like tinted lavender. So that's really pretty. I think I might put this on my closet door. And then the rest are just like to fill in some of the broken ones. But I really like these because they're very old, heavy crystal, and they're exactly what I need for my house because this is what we currently have on all of the doors. So here's the doorknob that I put on the closet door. It's like this really cool brown marble, and it's really old. And then on the other side it's like this this is how I put it together with this nail that doesn't fit, but it's just like a basic white, which I don't really care about because it's on the flip side. We have to fix that though. Look at this old lock on this door. Isn't that cool? Anyway, and then here is my closet door, and I think I'm going to put this like lavender if it fits. I don't know if I can make it work, but I have the lavender colored one that I want to put on this door if I can make it work. Hey Madison.
Hey.
How was school today?
Good.
Yeah? What are your plans tonight?
I'm going to the football game.
Mm-hmm. Can I go?
No.
How come?
Because you'll embarrass me.
I'll make a big sign that says, "Go Madison."
I'm not even playing.
I know, that's why it'll be fun. Madison's a cheerleader, so she gets into the games for free. She doesn't even have to pay, right? And we do like a pink out night for breast cancer, so they're all wearing their special shirts. Are you getting a phone call from a friend? Decline. Say I'm talking to the vlog right now. School's going good? Life is good? Okay. Madison got this crystal for her birthday, so the other day when she gave you her crystal tour and explain to you all of the different meanings of the crystals. We did not show this one, and this one is very pretty. It's purplish and white, and Madison's looking up now to see what it means. What does it mean?
It is a stone of love, compassion, emotional healing, and self-love.
Nice. Very nice. This might be my favorite one.
I also have a necklace
Oh,
of a pink tourmaline.
was that
It's
your
like-
birthstone?
Yeah.
Was pink tourmaline your birthstone? Your birth crystal?
Yeah. So, this necklace, it actually isn't like just one pink tourmaline. If you look closely, there's like, I'm pretty sure it's like a clear quartz on the outside or something, or just like a mold. And then on the inside is a bunch of tiny pink tourmalines.
Oh, very pretty. Love it. Do any of you guys have a good solution for coverings for couches? Let me know in the comments below, because these are not holding up well, and I feel like I need something more like weighted, like heavy, that's not gonna move around and shift so much. So let me know if you guys have a solution to that problem. Aww, look at Chester all cozy and up to Madison, like a little baby, like a little puppy, a little lap dog. He loves you, Madison. Look at that. Aww. He's such a baby. He's such a little baby boy. Look at him. He is in his happy place right now. Leo's like, what about me? How come I'm not getting any attention? Oh, dogs are the best. Chester's upset. Madison has to go get ready for the game, so... So now Chester doesn't have anyone to snuggle with, because I'm going to. Sorry, guys. I know. It's so rough being a dog, isn't it? Okay guys, so that is going to be it for today. I want to upload and edit this tonight so I can schedule it for tomorrow morning and have it out in time, because I know this weekend is going to get super busy. So that is the plan, and you know what? I'm thinking Monday's video might be a little bit later, because we have a sleepover and we're actually going to be out of town for the sleepover. So I'll share more about that over the weekend, and I don't think I'm going to be home in time to get it uploaded on my computer, but we'll see. I'll see if I can bring it with me. But anyway, I'll definitely have it posted on Monday. It just might be a little bit late, but the rest of the weekend, hopefully everything will go smooth with my schedule of posting, and I still hope that you guys are enjoying coming along for Vlogtober. It is a lot of fun, and I really love even like looking back on older Vlogtober videos, because at this time of my life and my kids' ages, every year is so much different than the year before. Like, Emily's not even home now, she's away at college, and then last year was COVID, so that was so different, right? And then the year before that, like, they were so much younger, and I just love having that to look back on. And there were some really, really good times. So if you do enjoy daily vlogs, especially seasonal ones, definitely go back and check out my older Vlogtober videos. And I don't know, I just think they're a lot of fun, for me anyway. They're fun to look back on. All right, that's gonna be it for today, and I will see you guys in the morning. Good night.